I declare Tumwebaze Mwine, who has obtained the largest number of votes, to be elected candidate for the Western Region Youth Representative to Parliament.
Mwine Tumwebaze nwarajwe cereminyeto ya Burengyerwa Eizooba omwishengero rya 12 wanyuma yo kutunga obururu 1557 omukarura katirwa Eizooba rya Nyamwabazyo ahishemero rya Ntare aho muri Mbarara. Wanyuma yo kurangirwa Mwine Tumwebaze asemere minyeto ahabwo kumwesiga ekamuterera karuru okubabera omujwekerwa omwishengero.
Benyisimbire omukaruru kubwa Western Youth MP andabwe Mbabazi za Ruhanga nabasa kusinga karuraka kandi nyebaza iminyeto ya Burengyerwa Eizooba kumpereza karuru na no ku believing anti ninye muntu aishire kuba nimbebembera ninga nimboreka direction race ebetorobi twetwine bakandidate bingi barungi bakandidate bingi bine potential kandi at the end of the day I believe that bakandidates have twine nibaza ku taking up a lot of leadership positions in the future.
Ogu ayongire yaraganise myeto kwarukuza kuba rutindo aharuburengo.
Structure ya youth politics in a way that twinobutiko bwa sub county, twinobutiko bwa district, twinaka chiko aka national level, then twinaba regional MPs bita representing akeminyeto. Konka wale bo structures ezo government abe kuchira kwa mani nababa abayigo kandi abe kuchira kwa imamani naba bali ya sub county kandi aba bali sub county noba ku interacting amnongana nabantu abitu representing noba kwasa kutwira ground information kandi noba kwasa kutira information na ground so nintekateka above everything twahereza abantu amani bakabasagara ko mbantu babo bakamanye kubashasha bakamanye biroto byabo bakamanye bizu byabo duntu kwa achieving a true representation akukuna beningamire mnyeto ya Burengyerwa Eizooba niwo gwanje no go revolutionizing youth politics kurebuka anti twa achieving a true representation y'ebiroto bitu, representation y'ebiroto bitu na n'ebitekateko bitu kandi ni intekateka ikintu tubasa kucyachivinga twatu empowering abantu abari most in contact na n'eminyeto yitu and those are our sub county committees.
Atujichere taki Ismail okurire byo kuteza karuru ashoborire kunuko kacereze yo kuba kihorero mbururu w'eminyeto bona oburatirwo nuko kusime minyeto ahabwo kuma businge.
I want to take this opportunity to thank the electorate, particularly the youth, for the patience and the good work they did in exercising their right to vote. We have registered the most peaceful youth elections in the region. And it's going to be in the history of Uganda that we had the peaceful elections in Western Uganda.
Mwine Tumwebaze naza kuzombegere bya Honorable Edison Rugumayo otwire najwe cereminyeto ya Burengyerwa Eizooba gashakwa iya na kankwasa ahabwa tayari West.